You are good at mathematics?
Yes, I think so.
Now your exams has begun over here. Say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
MashaAllah. Okay. Now, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, do read the statement over there.
A is 55, B is 5.
Now, do write the value of A and what will be the value of B is there. Do write into your notebook. A's value is what? A's value is what?
A is 55,
And B's value is?
5.
Okay, my dear. Have you written?
Yes.
Okay. My dear, Mr. Ibrahim, now the statement is before you. It is the cout statement, to console output statement, to print or display whatever the result of the statement that is written over there. All right. And for you, to help you, over here, I have written in this context that you can understand. Over here, A plus plus means we have used postfix increment operator over here with variable A. And then we are going to add another variable, but we have used what? Postfix increment operator with the variable B. Now, your exam begins over there. I do give you 1 minute and do tell me what will be the output of this program.
It will be like 62.
Yes? 62.
62.
Okay. Are you sure? Okay.
Yes.
If you want to see, lock it. Can I lock it?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Do you want to use the lifeline of Mr. Hassan?
For sure. There. You can choose.
Okay. Mr. Hassan. Assalamu alaikum, beta.
Walaikum assalam, sir.
Now you have become a lifeline for Mr. Ibrahim. Now, were you there in the lecture when I did talk about postfix increment operator?
Yes, sir.
Share your answer.
Sir, 60.
What is? Speak loudly. Yes. 60. Mr. Hassan.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
like
sir.
after the increment operator,
No,
it must
no,
be
no, no,
like.
no. I think so. You have forgotten. Twice I did make you understand. If you get yourself back the previous example, I did tell you one thing. When we use postfix increment operator, what will be done? First of all, we use the actual value, current value of the variable first of all. Okay. Now you tell me, what is the current value of A is there?
The current value of A is 55, sir.
And what is the current value of B is there?
5.
5. Do add these one. 55 plus 5.
60.
Okay. It means the actual value, the current value of the variable will be used first of all. And then the variables will be incremented by 1. All right?
Yes.
My dear, the answer is 60. But after displaying the answer or after using the current values, what Mr. Ibrahim Bilal now, Mr. Hassan, keep calm over there.
Right.
All right?
The value will be incremented.
Mr. Hassan, you must be over there live over there. But I do connect Mr. Ibrahim Bilal over there. All right?
Okay, sir.
Keep calm over there. Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, after the execution of this statement, what A's next value will become when 1 will be incremented to the A?
A value will become 56.
Okay,
and B will be
do write into your notebook. Hurry up.
already.
Every student should write If I am asking Mr. Ibrahim Bilal to write, it means I do ask all of my students to write. All right, my dear. Okay, A's current value is now what you know. B's current value is what you know. And don't tell over here. Now, if I do ask you, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, can you look at the bottom? What is written? C out?
A plus B.
Now, what? Do tell me. After adding A plus B, do tell me what this statement will result, give output.
It will be 62 now.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. It is not only the exam of your mathematics, it is the exam of
Like
your...
first, sir, it print the real value of A and B, and then after the incremented.
Yes, 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 you got. That is why I did clap for you.